Hello and welcome to myownhelpdesk.com. Today I'm going to show you the Windows control panel and the different tools that it has for accomplishing various different feats and things on your computer. And it's a good way to go there and then always look at things like your system, your display, your defragmenting, and lots of different tools to assist you. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that now. So how do you get to the control panel? You can go to the Start button, and this may be a little different on your version of Windows, but go to the Start button, and then go to a Settings, and then you have a control panel there. So I already have a control panel open. And so what are the things that you can do in the control panel? As you can see, there's a lot of different options that you can do, and you may have different options installed on your computer. Some of the main ones, here's add or remove programs. Here's where you can do the popular uninstall of programs, but you can add programs also with this one here. Administrative tools, you may or may not have that one, and those are some different things that you can do with your computer. Performance and services, some other advanced things. And here's one for automatic updates, to get automatic updates for your Windows system. Here's another one you can do to figure out your date and time of your computer. You can set that. Here's a display, another popular one where you can fix the display of your computer. You can change the theme of your computer. You can go to the desktop and you can change the background. You can put a nice picture out there if you would like to do that. If you don't like what's available, excuse me, that's installed, you can go to the browse and you can browse your computer to pick your own picture. You can set up your screensaver here for when you're away from the computer for so many minutes. You can tell it when to turn on your screensaver. And the appearance, you can change the overall appearance. And various settings. And you can change your screen resolution and your color quality, things like that. Folder options, you can change some of your options of your folder. Use your fonts. You can do things with fonts on your computer. Here's Internet options. It relates to your Internet Explorer browser for browsing the internet. I just open that up, then you'll see lots of different things and settings you can do and change for browsing the internet on Internet Explorer. Keyboard, thing for email, all your network connections to get to the internet. And what else is there here? Printers and faxes, power options you can go into, and anything that you want run on a schedule, you can go here and do it there. Speech, and like system, you have a bunch of different things for your system. What is your system? What's the name of it? Your computer name. What hardware is on it? In advanced, you have performance. And you've got a remote, so you can do remote assistance and desktop, kind of advanced things. Here's another automatic updates and a system restore. So various things there. You have a taskbar and start menu options. You can go there and configure those. And user accounts. A Windows firewall, which helps block out the bad things like viruses and that kind of thing. So a bunch of different options there. And you also might be able to get to a good thing is called a defragmenter. I have one of those already open. It's usually you can get to it through your control panel. But if not, you can always go to your search and just type in defrag or defragment. This is another good tool to do on a weekly basis, at least would be good. because your computer can get defragged, which ultimately, without getting too technical, it can slow down your computer, and files can get kind of put all over the place on your internal hard drive. So if you run this disk defragmenter, it tries to clean it up, and then when it's done, hopefully your computer will run a little bit better. So this is another good tool that should be in your control panel somewhere. And otherwise, that's it. This is your main toolbox for your computer, for your Windows computer. And go in here and take a look and kind of try things out. So hopefully this has been helpful for you. And again, visit myownhelpdesk.com for any other helpful videos and tips for you to help make your computer experience more enjoyable.